Agetua Sirosio Njanju Igooti inene ria Embu Richard Mwongo augite ni Ũhotani Kariuki uria waumbikite cira wa kuregana na maumirira ma ũhotani wa Leo Wamuthende thiini wa githurano kinini kia Mbere North ndanavota kuruta wira mwiganu wa gukenyaniriria ikiro iria ingivotithia Igooti gutecaniria ũhotani wa Wamuthende. Kariuki thiini wa iteta riake augite ni kwari na ngaiha thiini wa itua itiganite cia wiki wa kura kuvaka na kuagagia aikia kura kuvaga vairo cia aikia kura na indo itiganite cia wiki wa kura.
As to whether the electoral malpractice of bribery and voter influence so found results in the nullification of the election, the evidence does not show that the scope and prevalence of the malpractice substantially affected the result of the election in terms of Section 83 of the Elections Act.
Kuna rio gwe Igooti niritikirite ni kwari na ciiko cia ngaiha thiini wa itua cia wiki wa kura cia Githivuri na Kaungu kuvako kwa ikia kura gutetheriria mwingi wikia kura uria ni mugaro na watho wa ithurano thiini wa itua icio guku uthuthuria makiria ukionania kuthogwa kwa ivuku ria ikia kura uvua wayandikithia wa ikia kura kuvingwa. Mavitia mau Igooti niriamurithĩtie marenganirwe kwi mutongoria wa thitango cia mwingi niguo uthuthuria wambiririe.
The court finds that the following malpractices of a criminal nature may have been committed and directs that the same be transmitted to the DPP. A. Admitted alteration of register without authority, contrary to Section 6(1) of the Election Offences Act. B. Double assistance of voters, that is allowing 6 persons to assist more than one voter, each contrary to Regulation 72(5)(c) of the regulations. C. Failure to record in the polling station register against the name of the voter the fact that the voter was assisted, contrary to Regulation 72(6).
Guku agikanagiretwo ria Igooti mubunge Leo Wamuthende niwikitie voya kwi Ũhotani Kariuki maunanire njongwa niguo megwithania nja wa Igooti wanathengia gukorwa Kariuki kuvitukira wakiri wake Kariuki Njiri ni ugite ni gucokia cira riko.
Gwenda kuga kinya kwi Newton Karish nie ni nao maundu mama matia makenana na ugo ringi na ningwenda kumwira umuthi anangienda ni mutumire athuri tuonde twe ya mbere riria turarwire Igooti twi brothers twi undu mwaro na nie ni ready kurutanithia wira na ni ready kinya twathie court of appeal. My team is ready, lakini nundu andu wa Mbere North anakava tukethanitie
kwi maundu wa IBC itekire kuringana na watho no urera ugate ni yathi gutara ogwe kona ta wira ucio ti muiganu kuhagura githurano nikio tuga ni tuguthie appeal.
Cira ucio watecanirwo na mwigano wa milioni 4 varia gicunji kia 30 kia mbeca icio ikarengerwa Wamuthende.
So having considered the nature of the case and the input of the parties and noting the fourth respondent did not testify to avail witnesses, I hereby cap party and party costs at Kenya shillings 4 million.
Wanathengia ya gukura Igooti inene riria tuikaria kuona mavitia matiganite kumana na ivoya ria Ũhotani Kariuki rigi maumirira ma githurano kinini kia Mbere North kiria gikikire tariki 26 mweri wa 11 mwaka muthiru riria tuikara ria kuuga mavitia matiganite magutecaniria ũhotani wa Leo Wamuthende aita mbunge wa Mbere North. Vanduri va Inooro TV ni kaunti ya Embu ni Beta Dennis Fundi.